Mahindra Roxor all-weather. Just want to do a quick overview of my radio install. In this time, it probably matters that it is the all-weather only because of the heating unit here and the AC unit. Just want to show y'all real quick. I did end up putting in a Rockford Fosgate PMX3. Let me cut down the radio before YouTube does some copyright thing. Stereo, but the biggest thing, it's not the radio I want to do an overview of, it's the install on this. With it being a gauge style radio, I was going to do a double DIN. It would probably fit in most Roxors without this unit. It's some of the new thinner units will be able to clear that. Obviously, one with the DVD player, CD player will not do it. The other issue is, will moisture get to it? I've had radios and double DINs in Jeeps, never had too much issue. I've had the Roxor with this top in pretty good weather, decent rain, and a couple of drops got in here, more around the doors. Nothing I would probably worry about around the radio area, especially with the windshield and everything on it. But anyway, I did go with this style, which is a marine. Now, I ended up going with a gauge style instead of doing double DIN because the defrost vents for the AC heater unit, the hoses that connects them actually comes up right here. I'm sorry, right around here, curves around and goes up. And the other one comes up right here and goes here and connects there. So pretty much right around the edge of the gauge unit. Plenty of room for a gauge radio, but if you do a double DIN, probably have a little bit of an issue. Some of the thin single DINs, you probably wouldn't have too much of an issue. And you could probably make a double DIN work. But like I said, it's going to be a fight. I'll do a little bit of a review on the radio and everything a little bit later on. I haven't put in the backup camera yet. I'm going to do some 6x9s in the back and probably a sub, maybe a JL audio. But I did do the kick panels that was pre-made. I forget the company that makes them. They're $95 a pair without the speakers. Decently made. I mean, they're pretty basic, but looks like it came in the Jeep from the factory. So they look good. Radio sounds great. Like I said, if you have any questions about the radio, let me know. And what I did instead of a double DIN, because my main issue was, Google Maps, things like that, is I just, like on my slingshot and everything, I just literally have a magnetic mount there. It does 90-degree angle. It can be mounted anywhere. No problem at all. So it works out great. Just pop the magnet down. Move the radio from vehicle to vehicle of the phone. That way I don't have to worry about its specific vehicle having a double DIN or worry about maps on different vehicles. I just take that with me for my music and my maps all on one. So that's it. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.